Mother's Day is coming up, so why not do something special for mom? Make this easy, no-sew custom table runner and chalkboard coffee mug. Just don't ask mom to help you with the ironing. First, press an old tablecloth or a piece of fabric so it's wrinkle-free. Choose a fabric that's bright and beautiful to remind you of mom's beaming love. Next, cut the fabric into the size you want, and then using your pinking shears, cut around the 4 raw edges of the fabric again. Using pinking shears gives your fabric a zigzag but delicate edge and keeps your fabric from fraying. Plus, it's a great alternative if you don't want to sew. Next, create your design and print it on the iron-on transfer sheets. It's best to read the directions first. Then, cut the design and set it on your prepared fabric. Iron the transfer onto your fabric according to the directions. When it cools, peel it off to reveal your design. There's your table runner. Now let's start the coffee mug. Tape around the mug where you don't want the chalkboard paint. And using short strokes, paint the mug and let it sit until dry. Now you may need more than one coat to get the best results. Once it's dry, peel away the tape. Now you can write messages to mom for her special day. Add some flowers to the table, mom's favorite food, and you're done. And mom will love this sentimental surprise on her very special day. And you may just become mom's favorite kid after all.